What is up, gang? Uncle Travis coming to you today. A little bit in progress, more than normal. Coming to you from Columbia today for what's going to end up being a fun, interesting little pond install. We're also doing a spillway bowl set out in the front. That's actually how the homeowner came to us, is he wanted a spillway set. And he called and he and Jamie talked and set that up. And then Derek came out to do the pre-job walk and he decided he wanted to do a pond as well. But let's take a look at what we're doing right now. So what we're doing down here is just instead of a 7x11, he had sort of an odd space, so he wanted to do a 6x12, no problem. You can't really see it right now because of the liner, but he thought it would be cool to bring the rock work right up to his patio. Absolutely, we've done that before, nothing new under the sun for us. So we had some really good digging here. We got lucky with that. So got the liner in, a couple rocks set, and we're gonna have a rock stacking party today.
Why are you unloading by hand into a wheelbarrow?
Normally we'd unload with this thing, but somebody decided it's a good idea to load the rock behind the machine we need.
It was me. I didn't decide it was a good idea, I just screwed up.
But mistakes happen.
So what we're about to do here is drill a hole through the basin so we can allow the plumbing from the top bowl down into the basin to connect up to the pump. Now there's something very important that you want to do before you just go drilling on this basin. Let's take a closer look down here. As you can see, there are several spots very clearly marked do not drill. You don't drill there. What happens is the way this is formed and molded, it supports itself, so the bottom side is recessed in several spots. So if you drill through this, you literally drill through the bottom. You drill through the top here and then right through the bottom of a support, so you're effectively putting a hole in here. I haven't learned this lesson the hard way, but many other folks have. So look 3 times before you drill a hole. So we know we're good right here, so I'm gonna put the hole for the plumbing right here. So right here, we just got a classic spillway bowl set. This is, like I said initially, what the homeowner saw and wanted us to come do in the yard. I've got this pretty well, Montana and I got this pretty well finished out. The homeowner also wanted this to be sort of oriented toward the street, sort of 180 here, so that anybody driving by or driving up would see this, and it looks pretty cool coming up. So it might look like, gang, we are in a different spot for this wrap up, and that's because we are. We ran into some scheduling conflicts with Leah on the camera, and we also had some rain on the last day of the construction. So just gonna wrap it up here from the new job. What's cool and unique about this one is he wanted to have the water's edge come right up to the patio, which we've done before. You've seen it in other projects. So we did that, got with him on the shelf height and everything, worked the rock work in right to the edge of the pond, and that came out super nice. I love how that turned out. So he was super happy with it, and we're super happy with it, and hope you are too. In the meantime, do us a favor, like, follow, share, subscribe, leave us a comment in the comment section. Tell us where you want your freshwater crab pond. In the meantime, I'm gonna get back to this project. I'll see you soon. Cheers.